Hi everyone, it's Shawl from Shawl Crochet. Welcome to my December mid-month update. Shawl, how are you today? I hope you're all doing well. It's a really busy time of the year, so I'm just going to jump on here quickly and update you on some finished objects. And I have a box to open, and I will have a special guest joining me later to help me open it. Okay, so just quickly, 3 things to show you. I made this pillow cover for my niece for Christmas. I made her a blanket out of this yarn last year. It's Bernat blanket yarn. And if I can find a ball band still, I'll put the color at the bottom. I'm pretty sure it's discontinued. You can see it's just dark gray and light gray. And yeah, so I made her, I stuffed a pillow so that this can fully be washed. And yeah, and there she is. I just did this with straight half double crochet and an 8mm hook. Made it lengthwise, and so yeah, so this way she can throw it in the wash if she needs, and I know she will like it, and I also know she won't watch this, so it's safe to show you. This will be my final update on my Mighty Mile a Minute blanket from Jayda and Stitches for 2021's Crochet Along, where I was using Setta from Setta's Places calendar cal colors to complete the project. So 2 cals in 1. And the last month was December, and there is the December strip for you. And I really liked the stitch. It was super easy. It's very similar to the split shell that we started with, but using V stitches instead of shell stitches. And I just used a purple yarn and held it double with a fingering weight sort of sparkly yarn that had some of the other colors represented, as I've been doing throughout. And it's done, and I put the border on and everything. So here we are. I'm going to disappear, and I'm kind of close, so I'll try to take some pictures and show you later, all laid out. But there we go, all 12 months. And it was a really fun project. I'm glad I did it. I learned some things. I made a couple of other Mile a Minute blankets this year, a baby blanket and a full one using color and black, using just the January strip, the more traditional split shell strip from Mile a Minute blankets. And I didn't do Join As You Go on those, but I forced myself to do Join As You Go on this one entirely, and I'm glad I did, because at least I have options. I've already since used it to seam part of my friend's sweater, and it's always just good to learn stuff about the different stitches. There's a few on here I really liked a lot, especially the one that was November's. I can see that being fun for certain things you want to be nice and lacy and open. It would show better if it wasn't a print, but you get the idea. Anyway, I had fun with it, and I hope you enjoyed coming on that ride with me all year long. And I did finish that yellow poncho. It is still here. If I can find a picture of it, I will post it for you. Hey everyone, here is the yellow poncho completed. So a basic granny stitch poncho based on a crochet crowd tutorial with a little modifications, which I'll zoom in on in a minute. You heard about this poncho last time when I had made the multicolored one, and this is just the yellow version. And I'm going to zoom in for a sec. So here's my middle, and what I was doing was I was doing regular 2 shells, chain 2 shells, And then sometimes I was doing double crochet, chain one, double crochet, chain one, double crochet, so that I could try and get the arm part to come down longer before the bottom got too long. And I think it worked okay. I'm still deciding how much I like it like that, or if there's something else I can do to have this point grow less quickly when it's just a 2-point poncho. Anyway, there she is. And the other thing is on my lap, the last real make for this year and the last Christmas present for this year. My mom has requested a pocket shawl, and I made it in Karen marble cakes. So this one is called French Vanilla. So actually I had 2 Karen marble cake projects going at the same time. This one got all the love though, the other one did not. For my pocket shawls, I prefer to make a extra long strip and build in the pocket that way rather than have to sew it on later. And then I just go around the outside and give it extra width that it needs as well. So I decided to do it with corner to corner this time. So here it is. Again, I'm disappearing on you. And again, I'll try to get a couple of pictures of this for you or some video of it laid out. But I like how it worked up with all the different striping. It's very subtle striping. These are colors my mom really likes. But then you get the colors going the other way on the band. So did some block stitches there on the band, or if you want to call it brick stitches, and then V stitches as well for some little bit of lace. But overall, I think it'll look really nice. And who knows, maybe at the end of the month, I'll even be able to show her modeling it if I get some footage of her on Christmas when she gets it. So this was a fun make. It did take quite a bit of time, lots of ends to tie in and weave in as we did the different aspects of it. I may still put a couple of buttons on the pockets. We'll see how it goes. But that is that. I had some little things here and there. December has been such a blur, and I know it's a really busy time for everyone, so I'm not going to keep you. I've been trying to watch some of the Vlogmases here and there, but like I said, it's just kind of a crazy time. I'm still working. I've been missing so many lives because of work, and that really bums me out, but what are you going to do, right? There is going to be another clip coming up of a gift I got from my friend Crystal at Ricola's Crochet Corner. And at this moment in time, it is not even open, so I don't even know what's in it. But I will be back with that clip in a minute. And yeah. So as promised, I am back with my special guest, Shin, aka the hubby.
Hello all.
And he has a gaming channel, mobile gaming channel called Shin Virtuality. Is that right?
That is correct.
And we have a present from Crystal, Ricola's Crochet Corner.
So we're going to get into that right now.
I got the box yesterday, and I said to her, I'm going to try my hardest to open it on camera, because for some reason I'm really terrible at opening, particularly her things on camera. But anyway, and then she mentioned to me that there might be something in there for hubby. So he's here too.
We are opening it right now, so everything is as it seems. So
everything is as it seems. We're not faking it.
Yeah, exactly. So we're opening the box.
Yeah, I haven't seen inside yet.
So.
Card. Ooh, Shell. Oh, Shell and Chris. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. You can now. Ooh, very pretty.
Pretty.
Jolly good cheer. Wishing you a jolly holiday season that's filled to the brim with love and good cheer. And hope Chris likes his non-yarny gift. Cheers, Crystal, Pete, and family.
Thanks, Crystal and family.
Yes. All right, let's go.
So we're just going to grab the first thing that's in here and... Oh.
Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh, they're so tiny.
They are.
They're adorable. Yeah, it looks like a little amigurumi kit. The lovely world of Ricola. 100% cotton. So there's that.
Mm-hmm.
And look at how tiny they are inside. They're so cute. So that's interesting.
They might go with those tiny hooks that I got you that one year.
Maybe it would go with those tiny hooks. Actually, it looks like it's about a 2 or 3 weight yarn. Anyway, I'm not gonna try to figure out what this is on camera. but I will very
Maybe
happily have a look at it soon.
Maybe the next podcast. All right. Oh.
This must be yours. Yay! Some Christmas yarn, which actually, other than a little tail end of cotton that I have left, I haven't had any of this in years. Mostly it was cotton too. This is called Mistletoe. It's Red Heart Super Saver. And I think I saw another one in here. There we go. Very nice. I actually saw a mandala recently that might be good for.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, she is sending me some of the new Karen cakes she knows I haven't seen or got any of. Wow, this is soft.
This is so
soft. This is one of the softest things I've ever touched in my life. Karen Cloud Cakes. And it's in a very pretty purpley color.
So all for you.
The lighting in here is not really doing the color much justice, but you get the idea. And yeah, so we'll talk more about the specs and stuff when I get a chance to play. 100% polyester. Holy, is this ever soft. My family is not allowed to know about this yarn because they're just going to want it.
They're not allowed.
They're going to want it made into things like blankets. Ooh. Bernat Bounce Back. Never heard of it. Very soft again. Not as soft as the one I was just touching, but not too far off. It looks like it's about a 5. And yeah, really pretty. Thank you. Bernat Bounce Back. I'm gonna have to see what that's all about. Ooh, another one. This one's an interesting color. This one, yeah, same yarn, just a different color. This one's like a bluish color, like a, like a denim-y blue. I think there's a couple more that are the same one.
This one?
Yes. This is interesting.
And
these go well together.
Yep.
Bounce Back. Look at these.
All right. So get them all done in one.
Get them all done into one? Very nice. Thank you, Crystal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And we got...
Don't fall on the floor, yarn.
I have a feeling you're going to like these ones.
Oh my goodness. We've had several conversations about these crystal cakes. First of all, it's really fun to have a cake called Crystal from Crystal. And oh my goodness, here, you can hold one too. Oh my goodness, this is really soft too. It seems to have quite a halo. Wow, it's very similar to Shawl, but I would, like softness wise, this one's way softer. Yeah, it's got that silver sparkle through it, and this is all purples. I love purple. Look at that.
She'll make good use of this.
Yeah, so it's kind of actually interesting to see them kind of far apart from each other because it's going to be somewhere in between. Awesome. Thank you, Crystal. Those are awesome.
Yes, thank you. Got one more thing in here.
For Chris. Or Shin, depending
Or
on how you
Shin,
want to look at it.
All right, well, I guess I'm going to have to tear into this. Oh, looks like we got some sweet treats here.
Ooh.
Some Hershey's chocolate. Oh.
Ooh.
Some sweet and some savory.
Some spicy.
Yeah.
She knows this is his favorite. She's very clever for remembering that.
Yes.
Look at you getting all spoiled.
Yes.
Awesome.
Dessert is served tonight.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Are you going to share?
Yes, I'll share.
Very nice. Thank you, Crystal.
Thank you,
spoiled
Crystal.
us. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone. And
Bye.
Christmas. Bye.
In Hawaii.
That's amazing. For the whole summer?
No, it's a real job.
Wait, but what about college?
Well, it's
Can I have it back, please?
A job.
That's not for
is
Sydney.
just something you can do.
Excuse me.
College is
it's perfect for you. But I need to be outside. That's where my future is. Come with me. Find out.
Marky, buy one get one numbers? Yep.
Are you just gonna keep it like that? Because it's not Sydney's, it's Mummy's. I'm going to have to tell Shell and Grandma. What did you do? What did you do? Can I have it back? Can I have it? It's Mommy's. Excuse me, it's Mommy's. Can I have it? Please. Drop. Thank you. Thank you. Not for pupsies. Good girl.
All right, everyone. Well, thank you for spending this time with me. I want to take a minute and wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy holidays, everybody. Please take care. It's been great hanging out with you this year, and I will update you at the end of December with what my plans are for 2022. In the meantime, have a great day and happy crochet. Bye, everybody. Get over here and pretend you like me.
Do I have to?
We're gonna have what are those things called? Do we have the last time we came on the video? Bloopers? You might have those?
Sure. Because we like those. Yes. Hi.
Hi.